today in this video we are going to be decorating our room with our DIYs
and showing you guys DIY room transformations. So before these DIYs, our room looked like this, but now it looked like this, and you guys can see that we changed our wall and other stuff like that.
These are some really easy DIYs that you can transform your room completely with. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe
to our channel. And
let's get started with the video.
So for this DIY, you are going to be needing some LED lights, scissors, and a spray paint, of course. So first I'm taking this cardboard and spray painting it with copper spray paint, and then I am tracing some moons. This next DIY, you are going to be needing some cardboards, and we personally are using the white ones for the frames. So yeah, now we're gonna draw a line in the center so we can split them into two pieces. And the second thing you're going to be needing is the magazine pages. We tore it from the magazine, and it doesn't need to be perfect at all. Now what we are doing is to cut the cardboard into two pieces so we can make two frames out of it. So yeah, our cardboard was big enough, so we made two frames out of one. The thing you have to do is to roll the magazine pages into tubes, and we made a lot of tubes, and yeah. Next step is completely up to you. You are just going to be adjusting the tubes however you want them to be. Once you are actually satisfied with how it looks, you are just going to be pasting the tubes on the frame. So yeah, using UHU for this purpose, but you can use any glue that you think would work. For this next bottle DIY, you are going to be needing an empty glass bottle. Then you're gonna start painting anything you want. Here we are painting some watermelons on this. We are actually using acrylic paints because they are already thick and easy to apply on glass. watermelon seeds, and yeah. After you're done with the painting, you can secure your artwork with Mod Podge, glue, or varnish. We are using white glue to secure our work. So now to hang the bottles, I am using this yarn / rope kind of thingy, whatever you want to call it. So this step is really difficult to explain, but you can see what I'm trying to do. So I am just taking this rope and doubling it up and trying to put it in a knot, and yes. So after I have tied the knot, it is really secure, and I am taking the end sides which are not attached together, and I am just equaling them up. So make sure they are equal, and then we are going to be tying them up too. So after this, you are pretty much done, and you can hang them onto the wall, and yes, it looks amazing. That's it for the video, and if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe and like, and we'll see you guys later in the next video.